Hello everyone. So let's start our last session of the chapter number 6 tissues. So finally we are going to complete this chapter. So in this session we are going to learn the last point, that is about the nervous tissue. Okay, in previous session we have learned about the muscular tissue. Okay, so just we will revise the things and then we will start the nervous system. Okay, so in muscular tissues we have learned that the muscular tissues are important for the movement, and this movement is possible because of the muscle fibers which are having the proteins. Okay, the name of the protein I have mentioned here, that is contractile proteins. So because of that proteins there is contraction as well as the relaxation of the muscles. Then based on the controlling part, again there are two types of muscles, voluntary and involuntary. The movements, those we can control, that are voluntary, and opposite to that we cannot control. Okay, so in involuntary muscles. Then we have learned cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles and smooth muscles. So from the diagram I hope that now you can write the structure, functions. Okay, so that much we have learned. Then I have given the table. From that table I hope you have written the notes properly. Okay, so let's start about the nervous tissue. Can you tell me that, see, one condition is there. If you are doing ironing and if by mistake if you touch that hot part of that iron, what will happen? What will happen? Quickly you are taking your hand back. Correct? Am I saying correct? If you are thinking deeply something, and if someone is coming from the back, so again you just scared. Correct? Am I saying correct? Means we are giving response to the surrounding. Have you seen touch me not plant? Have you seen that plant? If you touch that plant, the plant is now closed. Correct? Means the plant is giving response to your action. Same happening in our body. We are also giving some responses. So that is due to the nervous tissue. If your teacher asks you the question, you are giving the answer quickly. Correct? Am I saying correct? So that is because of the nervous tissue which is related to your brain. Okay? So see, the cells of the nervous tissues are called as nerve cells or neurons. As we have learned that tissue is made up of group of cells. So your nervous tissue is made up of nerve cells or neurons. So what are they doing? So see, in nervous system, maybe in the 10th standard you have that nervous system. So nervous system means what? The system which is having brain, spinal cord and nerves. Means we are taking message, providing to the brain, then our brain giving reply to that message. So that is your nervous system. Okay. So the brain, spinal cord and the nerves are composed of the nervous tissues. So these nervous tissues helps in transmitting impulses from the organs to the brain and vice versa. As we are using WhatsApp, Instagram, your friend means you are chatting with your friend is sending message to you and then you are going to reply that message. Correct? Like that we are doing. No. Same is happening in our body. When you touch the iron, your body organs, your hand is giving message to the brain. Then brain just read the message and quickly send you the response that yes, you have to now move your hand back. So that is your nervous system. So how do we react to stimuli? Stimuli means that a response. See, this is because of the nervous tissues present in our body. So they are capable of transmitting information quickly from the brain to the different parts of the body and vice versa. As I have told that. See, if someone is crying, so what we are doing? What are we doing? We are also feeling emotional. When the picture is going on, the emotional picture is going on, you just started to cry. Correct? Means your brain is doing something. Whatever we are doing, the actions are there. That is because of the nervous system. Correct? You are blinking when someone is just, what we can say that. See, so many actions are there where we just scared automatically. So who is giving that response? Your brain is giving that response. Because of whom? Because of the nervous tissues. And these actions are happening quickly. First we touch the iron and within the seconds we just remove our hands from that iron. So that much our nervous system is working. Are you getting my point? So much advanced system in our body. Clear? So the nervous tissue is made up of cells that are called nerve cells and neurons. These neurons connect together to form the nerves of our body. So from the structure you will get the idea that how the neurons are working. So this is a one diagram of neuron. Like that, so many neurons are present in our body. So what they are doing? They are taking the message from the body organs, sending to the brain. Then brain read the message and then sending the reply. So like that, there are the nervous tissues. Clear? So see the structure of neuron I have given here, that is the elongated cell. Okay, you can see here it is an elongated cell. You can see here which are having dendrites. So these are this structure. It's called dendrites. So these dendrites are taking the messages. Clear? Then the nucleus is present in the center of the cell. Nerves endings of the cell are connected with the cell body via axon. So see, this part and this part is connected with the axon. Okay? So the nerve cell can be up to 1 meter long. So this is the length of the nervous, that is neuron. Okay? So these nervous tissues, see, don't go in detail that how we are responding and all. Now we are learning that when there is a response term is there, so that is related to the nervous tissues. Only that much you have to learn. Okay? So the nervous tissues are present in the brain, your spinal cord and nerves. Okay? Then these nervous tissues are having the cell body with nucleus and cytoplasm, which is having a long axon and the branch dendroids. So this is the structure, and the function is that it transmits nerve impulses around the body, allowing animals to respond to stimuli. Okay, if something is happening around us, our body responding to that action. So that is controlled by the nervous system, our nervous tissues. So clear about the nervous tissues. The small point is remaining that we have completed. Okay, so like that we have learned about the types of animal tissues. Okay, 4 types we have learned: epithelial, connective, muscle and nervous. Okay, so like that here we have completed our chapter number 6, tissues. So I hope that you are now cleared about all these terms, all the things. Okay, I hope that you are not confused between all these types of tissues. Okay, so as I have told, take a A4 size chart. Okay, in one chart, animal tissues, draw that tree diagram. Same for animal tissues. So when daily you will see that chart, you will automatically get or automatically learn the types, subtypes easily. Okay, so follow the instructions given by your teachers. Do your study on time. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, please inform me. We will discuss in the live session. Okay, in next session you have to complete your exercise depending upon the session. Okay. Thank you everyone.